Guys, my heart. It's broken. It's broken. Well, we still continue, ladies and gentlemen. While the host may change, the game doesn't, you know? The game stays the same. Same crazy time that we know and love. The same rules, the same bonus rounds. Nothing changes with the host change. But we still got some time in this session. Let's try to do the best that we can. Still trying to keep things a little bit more positive. We got a coin flip 4x. Let's go. The last pachinko, that was like 20x. Yes, the last pachinko 20x. That's true. Now there's a coin flip and 4x. Come on, coin flip. Oh yeah, that's gonna happen, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. Coin flip. How about the 4x on top? Let's see how this one goes. Meet you at the coin flip, everybody, and this is how we do it. Hi, guys. Still here. The coin is here. Two sides of it, blue and red. Let's also check the multipliers out, right? What do we got? 50x and 2. Okay, come on. 200x on the red one, ladies and gentlemen. Please cross your fingers for me. And the toes as well if you can. Come on. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. 200x, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all the winners right now. And that was magical, right? Yeah, it was. Come on. 5,845. Right, let's go. Next one. Ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Well, yeah. But Nemesis, yeah, Nemesis Prime. That sounds like I've heard that one before somewhere. I don't know where, but I've definitely sounds familiar. No crazy time? Well, not yet, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't found it yet, but next spin is almost there. Yeah, gonna be crazy time. 3x. So far, crazy time has been playing tricks on us a little bit, right? Alright. Alright, guys, I feel like this could be one of the really, really close ones. Yes! Come on, everybody! Crazy time, 3x on top. I think my heart just skipped the beat. Well, guys, you will have to join me in the crazy world of the crazy time. Come right in, ladies and gentlemen. Mikasa, Sukasa, right? Sukasa, right? Yeah. Ba-ba-da-ba. I hope I said it correctly, you know, in Spanish. I think I messed it up a little bit, but still, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the wheel. Oh, we got 3 types of flappers, of course. Everything multiplied as well 3 times. Yes, we got that 3x on top. Flappy, flappy, flappers, ladies and gentlemen. We got the green, we got the blue, we got the yellow. All right, so you got to pick one, ladies and gentlemen. Well, if not, then it's going to be automatically going for the blue one. That's right. And let's see how it goes. Looks like most of the players so far choosing the blue one. Everything comes down to this, ladies and gentlemen. All right, max multiply, 300x so far. Let's go. All right, we got the 300x, 75x, and well, 2 times the 75x. 300x, the highest one on yellow.
All right, betting time once again is open, and we could really use a bonus run. Good luck to you. And, you know, let's go for a random jump spin. Let's do it. Woo, 20x and a 10. Can we get a 10? If we ever needed a 10, it's now. Good luck. Good luck to you. Where's the 10? Can we get a 10? Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be 10 with 20x multiplier. Woo! Beautiful. Very beautiful. Congratulations, we have Nita with 51,400 your win.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.